Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a functional accordion UI in Figma within 5 minutes. This is a semi-advanced tutorial, so having a basic understanding of auto layout and component variants will definitely help. But don't worry if you're not familiar with them yet. You can still follow along and I'll guide you through each step as we go. Let's jump right in. So here I have a title, a drop-down icon, and a body copy. Select both of these and add an auto layout by pressing Shift+A. While it's still selected, add the body copy and apply another auto layout. Now, double-click the frame. On the right side, set the width to fill container and the resizing to auto. Change its vertical padding to 12 pixels. Next, add another auto layout for the body copy and make sure it's also set to fill container. Now select the whole frame and reduce the gap to 0. Let's rename these layers. You can name them however you like for easier management. Then select the entire frame on the right side, turn it into a component, and add a variant. I'm going to tidy this up using auto layout, but you don't have to follow it exactly. Now select the component, and on the right side, rename its properties. In the close variant, press the drop-down icon. Rotate it 180 degrees. Then select the body copy, and on the right side, enable absolute position or ignore auto layout. Nudge it twice upwards by holding down Shift and top arrow key. Set the position constraint to left plus right. This is what allows it to behave like an auto layout despite being in absolute position. Next, select the body copy in the close variant and press 0 twice to reduce its opacity to 0%. Then select the body copy in the open variant. Add a bottom padding of 16 pixels. Next, select the close variant and press Shift+E to open the prototype tab. Drag the point from the closed variant to the opened. Keep the settings as is, but change the animation to Smart Animate with an ease out curve and a duration of 150 milliseconds. Do the same thing in reverse, but change the curve to ease in and the duration to 100 milliseconds. Let's create a preview. Press F to add a new frame. Then copy-paste from the component into the preview frame. Duplicate by pressing Ctrl or Command+D after copying once. Then create an auto layout for the accordions. Create a rectangle by pressing R. Then hit Ctrl or Command+X and then paste it inside the frame. Change the width to fill container by double-clicking the edge while holding Alt key. Then reduce the height to 1 pixel. Lastly, copy-paste and move it down a few times. Finally, select the outer frame and press Shift+Space to preview the prototype. And that's it. We've made a semi-advanced UI accordion prototype. Thank you for watching.